Hi, Metamorphosis. This is RevEssie. God bless you. How you doing? Hope all is well with you. I saw your video that you had on YouTube that wanted to know what our favorite drink was. So I just wanted to show you what my favorite drink is in the whole entire world. And guess you get the picture, right? My favorite coffee is actually called Kenya from Africa. And here are my different coffee cups that I collect coffee cups, by the way. Like some people collect angels, I collect coffee cups. This is a cup that I got when I used to pastor at Mount Olive Baptist Church in Cannonsburg, PA. And this is a coffee cup that my brother just brought me. He works for the Department of Defense, and they sent him to Texas. And he brought me this cup. It's kind of big, from Texas. They say everything is big down there, right? This is my Club 1000 Feed the Children cup. My favorite charities that I donate to on a regular basis is Feed the Children and Getting Water for Africa with James Robinson, I think. And this Tigger this is my cup that I received from a man named Randy who sings down in Missouri, Branson, Missouri, because I'm a singer. We're both kind of semi, I guess. Well, he's a little more professional than I am. He sent that to me. It's from Disney. And this, the Department of Defense sent my brother to Georgia, so he brought me a Georgia cup. Every state he goes to, I ask him to bring me a cup. And I have many more, but this is about the last one I'm going to show you. This one, as you can see, it's a little old, a little raggedy, but this is my Bell Atlantic cup from when I used to work for Bell Atlantic. I guess around 2000, 2001, I worked for Bell Atlantic. Around the same time, they changed it to Verizon. I remember we were so mad about the word Verizon. It was so ugly with that orange and black logo, whatever, orange and brown logo. I was one of the ones that was on the picket line. Right after I picketed for them and did their thing, they fired me. But that's okay. I had fun while I was there. But as you can see, this is my favorite drink. God bless you. And thanks for giving us the opportunity to be able to share. I love your videos. You and Glad I Left, and I won't start naming names. There's a few. Hey, God bless you. Have a good day.